Secrets Row. Today, I'm hanging out with my friend Jordan.
Hi there.
You guys know Jordan, we bake together, we play a bunch of games, and today is no exception. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I invented a Valentine's Day game. This is called the Cupid Challenge.
Oh boy.
So Jordan is a great sport. We are dressed up like Cupid. We have wings, we have little hearts, and we are gonna be shooting arrows. So this kind of reminds me of a fairgrounds game.
Okay.
We are gonna be shooting arrows at the board, popping balloons for points. You gotta have good accuracy.
I hope that we make a lot of balloons fall in love with each other as we shoot them. Okay.
Red balloons worth 50 points, pink balloons 100 points, and there is one white balloon. It is the true love balloon. It is worth 250 points.
Ooh.
For anyone not familiar with Jordan's channels, I'm gonna be posting the links down below, so go check them out, subscribe, and show him some love. It's his birthday. Wish him happy birthday.
So kind.
I'm so excited. Okay, are you ready to go outside and let the Cupid Training Challenge begin?
I think so. Let's do it.
We are now outside. We have got our Cupid training game board set up over here. Jordan is gonna be going first because he is the guest and he's the birthday boy.
26 years old.
Woo! And we each get 5 turns. We're gonna alternate going back and forth. And what do we got over here, Jordan?
We've got a line on the ground.
Can't
we
pass
have to
the
keep
line.
the toe behind the line.
Yep.
Also, we agreed that if we pop more than one balloon? Also, we've agreed that if we pop more than one balloon in one shot, they both count.
Fingers
Also,
crossed.
if we do a 720 no scope,
Whoa!
that counts as like 1,000 points. So that's an unofficial written rule I just made up, but it's real now. Should I go for it?
Yeah, go for it. You're first up.
Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Just a slight angle and.
Whoa!
I was so close, but I didn't
I
get
saw
any.
it move. You're
That's-
gonna be a great Cupid. This is training. Okay, here we go.
Watch that toe, it's going over the line a
Oh,
little
sorry,
bit.
Jordan, sorry. Okay. I got the one below
That
it.
was 100, wasn't it?
Was it a pink one?
Yeah.
Okay, so Jordan, look. In each of the balloons, we put a little paper
Oh, what
with the
does it say?
points. 100.
So we both got very close to the
Very
250.
close.
You actually hit something though, and I didn't.
I'm taking this serious. I want to be a really good Cupid.
So do I.
Okay,
I'm also very competitive.
go Jordan, go. You can do it.
Come on, let's actually hit a balloon.
Oh!
How many points do I get for that?
Jordan, you're too strong. Okay, Jordan's been working out a lot. He's super buff and he just broke the game. I didn't account for Jordan being so buff and so strong, so I had to add some sandbags over here. Only the finest equipment on this Cupid training course.
Got a lot of things to work on here. I think you're a far better Cupid than I.
Yeah. Dang it!
Oh, that was so close. I feel like on every one of our shots, we have hit, like at least grazed the white balloon. Wouldn't that be amazing if we hit like right in the center of the heart? Please give me points.
Whoa!
What did I get?
Nice!
Was that a pink or a red?
Oh, let me see.
So we got a little 50 pointer in there?
Yeah, here's
huh?
your 50 points. Here, I'll let you pick it up. I'm just
thank
excited
you.
for you.
I actually have a score on the board. You're still double my score, but it's something. So now that we popped a couple balloons down by the 250,
Yeah.
it's kind of a high risk, high reward situation because you have a greater chance of just hitting the plywood.
I just hope I hit a balloon.
Careful of that line.
I'm just
No
excited.
cheating. Woo! That was a red.
50.
It's not justifiable to go 5 rounds and not hit the 250. Someone has to do it. I feel like it'll be a big weight off my wings. If I hit it, then the next one I can just go in the upper left-hand corner, you know? Here we go. Come on.
Go, Jordan, go.
Come on.
Whoa!
Oh, it was so close,
That
but at
was
least I got
right
one.
next to true love.
All right,
Yeah.
I got my first 100 on the board, which means we're tied up, but we're still halfway through a round, so you can beat me.
I'm trying to think about everything I love, like puppies,
Uh-huh.
like little cookie, and I love breakfast.
What's
oh
your
my
favorite
gosh.
food? Think about
I
that.
love breakfast.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah!
But
Da, 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 da.
so now you're 250.
Yeah, I'm gonna join Cupid Academy. The final round for points, the
And the
final
250 is
round
still
for
on the
love.
board.
Yep, 250 still on the board.
This is actually, I need the 250 if I want to guarantee my victory. 'Cause
Really?
so you're 100 points ahead of me right now. If I get the 250, then no matter what, you can't catch up.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And if we both miss it, it's gonna be the one that got away.
Oh, please.
Jordan!
Come on.
No!
No love. I'm behind, and you can do nothing now but further your lead.
Well, now I feel bad.
That's okay.
Ugh.
Love is full of heartbreak.
Oh, tell me about it.
Let's add insult to injury here. Get that 2. Oh my gosh, it was so close. Was that another 100 though?
Good game, Jordan. You did a good job. You were a great Cupid. You still got a lot of points. Was it 150?
I don't know about a lot, but I got 150 compared to your
350. So together, we're a good team.
I think so.
Yeah, but I think we should do like a speed bonus round and try to get this true
We
love
have
balloon.
to. We can't leave that there.
No, maybe we're just too tense. We're too serious about getting this balloon. So we just gotta loosen up.
Yeah.
Loosen up, Jordan. Do
Yeah,
a
get
little
those
bit of
shoulders
this.
a little loosened. Yep, I agree. I have zero flexibility whatsoever, so this is a good idea.
You get that balloon.
Here we go. Here we go. True love.
Yeah. Jordan, you did it! Oh, I did it!
Maybe I needed to stretch before.
We're gonna give you that.
You don't have to give me that.
Yeah.
You don't have to give
But
me
you
that.
have to give me one more shot.
Sure?
Okay.
Okay. Oh wow, it's on gold.
Jordan,
That's
you
amazing.
got it. It's like the golden ticket.
And I just wanna tell everyone, that was 100% one take. That was unscripted. I went into the stretching and that happened. It was not for added drama.
Yeah,
I did
that was true love, that was real. That shot was too good not to count, so I'm gonna take one extra shot for a bonus round. This is our
right.
bonus shot.
If you score a 50,
Uh-huh,
then we tie.
okay.
You gotta score 100 for the win.
Whoa, this is a lot. I mean, a lot of
Things
pressure
just
for
got
love.
really dramatic.
I'm gonna aim on the outside, maybe one of these little outliers that didn't think they would find love today. No!
Oh!
No! No!
Oh my gosh.
No! All right, that does it for the Cupid challenge. We did a little Cupid training. Big thank you to Jordan. You were a great sport. This was
you.
so much fun. Now, within the rules of the game are 5 rounds apiece. I scored 350. Jordan got the 150, but then we did a bonus round, and Jordan rocked it. You got the true love balloon.
Golden ticket,
Yes.
250.
So congratulations to Jordan. So again, I'm going to be putting all of his links down below to his YouTube channels. You have a few now.
I do, like 3 of them. Music, gaming, vlogs,
Yeah.
anything you could ever want in life.
Yeah, they're all down there, so go subscribe, show him some love, and wish him happy birthday. All right, thanks again, Jordan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you have a very happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.
May you find true love.
Oh, yes.